Good morning, students. Today's our topic is countable and uncountable nouns. I want you all to watch a video now, based on which we are going to have a question answer session later on.
Countable and uncountable nouns. Jessica eats an apple every day. She loves apples. Apple is a countable noun. We can count apples. We can say an apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Countable nouns are nouns we can count. They have a singular and a plural form. Apple, apples. We use a, an, or a number before a countable noun. An apple, 3 apples. With countable noun, we can use a singular verb or a plural verb. This apple is delicious. These apples are delicious. Emily drinks milk every morning. She likes milk. Milk is an uncountable noun. We cannot count milk. We cannot say a milk or 10 milks. Uncountable nouns are nouns we can't count. Uncountable nouns are also called non-countable nouns, non-count nouns, and mass nouns. They have only a singular form. We can't use a, an, or a number before an uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns always use a singular verb. Milk is white. Milk is uncountable. So, we must use a singular verb. To count or quantify an uncountable noun, we use a unit of measurement, a measure word. For example, we cannot usually say 2 breads because bread is uncountable. But we can say 2 loaves of bread or 2 slices of bread. Loaf and slice are 2 measure words we can use for bread. We can measure sugar and other powders in kilograms. A kilogram of sugar. We can also measure sugar in packets. 2 packets of sugar. Other measure words you can use with uncountable nouns are piece, piece of cake, spoon, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Liquids and gases can also be made countable by counting the containers they are in or by using a unit of measure. For example, a glass of water, 2 bottles of juice. Water and juice are uncountable nouns. We are not counting them, we are counting the containers they are in. I've already drunk 2 coffees this morning. The country produces hundreds of different cheeses. Sometimes an uncountable noun is used in plural form. This is usually connected to drink or materials. It usually means cups of, bottles of, or types of. Cups of coffee. Different types of cheese. Uncountable nouns can be grouped as follows: powder or grains, rice, salt, flour, sand, cheese, cake, etc. Liquids and gases: soup, tea, coffee, water, smoke, fog. Materials: wood, steel, gold, paper, wool, cotton. Data and abstracts: love, luck, education, intelligence, information, advice. Grouped ideas or concepts: fruit, money, food, news, luggage. Subjects: math, science, economics, English, energy, heat, cold, light,
Sunshine. Now, it's very clear that depending upon whether a noun can be counted or not, it is classified as countable or uncountable. I hope you all have your textbook page number 17 open. So, quickly pick out 5 countable and uncountable nouns from the picture given over there. Yes, are you ready? In countable, we have table, bottle, basket, jar, spoons, dishes, and many. And in uncountable, we have sugar, coffee, tea, salt, bread. As you all know now the difference between countable and uncountable, let's see what are the adjectives used with them. Countable nouns take before them adjectives of number such as 1, 2, 10, 100, also many, several, or few. So please look at the example given over there. Several people stopped and stared at the man in the strange dress. Here, people, that word is countable. So we have used here several. Look at the second example, it's very easy. 20 girls were present in the class. Third one, 100 voices spoke as one in answer to his challenge. Here, the word voice, look at the word voice, it is countable here because it is clearly mentioned 100. If there is number, then it's very easy for us to make out whether the word is used as countable or uncountable. Suppose if there is no number given over there, I am simply saying that I heard a voice from there or I heard a lot of voice from there. That time that becomes uncountable. So the word voice can act both as countable and uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns take before them adjectives that do not mean quantity or number, such as little, some, no, a lot, or much. For example, look at the first one. If you like, you may take some more time to read the morning newspaper. Here, more time I am mentioning, but not exactly how many minutes or how much duration. Second one, little attention was paid by the sales team to the manager's suggestions as they were impractical. Here, little attention, the word attention. Okay, we have added little because it is uncountable. Third one, a lot of hard work has gone into writing this book. Hard work. A lot of hard work. So here it is uncountable. I am not mentioning how much gram, how many kilogram, or How much it is exactly, I'm not mentioning here. Just mentioning a lot of hard work, which clearly means that it is uncountable. So today we have learned that the difference between countable and uncountable nouns, so many examples, and what are the adjectives of number used along with countable and uncountable. So in the next class, we will be learning about using quantity for uncountable and countable nouns. So thank you children. Please revise what we have learned today and we will meet in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you.